Hello everyone. Today I am talking about the lecture that I had attended on 18th of May. The professor's name is Michelle. The class name is Biochemistry, Nucleic Acids. When I went to this class, all students at this class came on time, and teacher too, including me also, I came on time. There was a small number of students who was sitting in the class, and when the professor came, she didn't greet student, and the student too didn't. They didn't greet her. They didn't greet her. Then she started her class by presenting some picture for the class, and she talked about presentation that students are required to do it in the next week for the final exam. And she talked about the basic outline for the PowerPoint and what the student should to do. After she finished this section, she started her lecture and talk about biochemistry, something with acids and genes in our body. During she was lecturing, the students were very quiet, and after she finished, she asked them if they have any question. Then they asked some questions by raising hand. She asked them to. She presented some questions at the end of the lecture, and asked the students to be in groups and discuss these questions. During their discussion, their questions, she asked me some questions about my major. Then I think she was a relaxed teacher, and she explained her lecture very well. He also used the technology. He didn't write anything on the board. He just used the smart board, and some of students paid attention for her, and other students were played on the computer and type it and eating, something like this. So the thing that I watched was different between my country and the American classroom. In the American classroom, the professor depends on the technology maybe almost of the time, and just talk and students make notes. But in my country, the opposite. The professor usually manual work. They write and explain, even if they use the technology. Also in my country, the students sit in the row and the professor sits on the stage. I mean, the students sit down and the professor sits up. But in the American, the professor sits down and the students sit in a stadium. And at the end of the lecture, she gave them the homework and discussed with them the homework, if they understood these questions or not. Some of them understood, and some of them asked her how to write this homework, because she asked them to write some mechanism. Okay. Then, thank you for listening.